Ettina Bhuja is a mountain peak in the Western Ghats located in Cikmagalur District of Karnataka State, about 25 kilometers from Mudigere. It is a popular trekking point and easy to moderate level of trekking of roughly around 5 to 6 kilometers in total, lasting for about 3 to 4 hours. Ettina Bhuja means resembling an ox shoulder. It is situated at an altitude of 1300 meters or 4265 feet from sea level. Trekking starts from Byrapura near Nanya Bhairaveshwara Temple. A motarable road is present till Nanya Bhairaveshwara Temple. Nanya Bhairaveshwara Temple is situated about 220 kilometers from Bangalore, and one can use Google Map also, and 43 kilometers from Mudigere Town. It is mandatory to take online permit from the Aranyavihara Portal at least 2 days prior, and we have to pay forest entry charges of Rs 300 per person during online booking. Trail of Ettina Bhuja trekking is a mix of dense forest, open grasslands and a steep final rocky climb. The final ascent is very steep and requires extra caution. Best time to do this trekking is between post-monsoon month of October and March month. During monsoon, there will be extreme rain and surface will be slippery. So trekking is prohibited during monsoon month. Please do not throw plastic in the forest area. Thank you.